What is up, you guys? It's been a while. We're gonna be riding the AMTRAK from San Antonio. Wait, San Antonio?
San Marcos.
From San Marcos back to Fort Worth. It's a 5-hour ride, and we're just gonna see how it is.
Suitcase. Packing light.
Packing light.
Y'all, so I feel like we haven't actually told y'all what we're doing on here. We're riding the AMTRAK
From San Marcos back to Fort Worth because we were spending time with family in New Braunfels, Texas.
Y'all probably have no idea where that's at.
I will put up a map here.
We just thought it was a good idea to experience this, so
It's been really fun, or chill. It's really chill. Like, it's really quiet.
so far so good.
So make sure you bring your
I
AirPods.
definitely, as of right now, I definitely would take the train, the AMTRAK,
Like, somewhere far.
somewhere else on a road trip. This was just to see what it was like, and
It's a little toasty.
as you can see. So right now we got a new stabilizer. We probably already said it. We still
now
to learn how to use this. Fucking DJI. If anyone knows about DJI and tips how to use them,
Please help us.
let us know.
Please help. I think we're slowing down. First stop. It's really quiet, so I have to whisper. This is our new thing. We're trying to learn how to use it.
So we got some upgraded equipment, stabilizer, DJI.
Okay.
Cost about $170.
We're still learning how to use it. It's kind of confusing.
Y'all let us know if y'all can see a difference in the quality of videos.
What if this is like driving? This is crazy how many people are getting on over there. This is our first stop in Austin. We get to stretch our legs, move around a little bit. It's been really chill so far, really quiet. So we really can't talk in there. We gotta like whisper. Really quiet, so I have to whisper. But this is fun. I like it so far, and it's comfortable. And there's a bunch of people getting on in our train. We left our stuff in there.
Fuck, my nigga.
Train vibes. What the heck?
Back on the road.
Back on the road. This is the eating cart. The thing is closed right now, but we're looking for hot water so we can make our noodles. The seats are so cute. Oh my god, I'm scared. Wow, that's cute.
So these are the rooms, we believe.
Yeah, we think so.
You probably could turn that into a bed.
And that's a bed too, for sure.
bunk bed.
You guys need some help?
No, we were just looking at the rooms. We're taking a video. How long we're gonna be on here is usually, it says 5 hours. It usually takes us 4 to get back home, just in the car, but that's not too bad. We're just chilling. It feels like it's going by pretty fast already.
Yeah, for sure. The price for both of us to go from San Marcos to Fort Worth, which is a 5-hour train ride, was only $57 total for both of us.
Yeah.
That's one way.
One way. Yeah, this is a one-way trip.
As you can see, you've probably seen so far, ain't shit in Texas. It's
Alright,
flat
folks,
as hell.
this is Jessica from the cafe. The cafe is now open and serving. Can
About
you
to eat
accept
some
all
noodles,
methods
some
of payment?
lunch.
Cash, debit, credit.
They don't check your luggage or baggage. You can bring
Little drinks or
pretty much anything you want. Coolers, drinks, you don't want anything, food. Put the fall out, bro. That was hectic.
That was crazy.
Bro,
That was so
for the
crazy.
most part. Alright, y'all. So she got the noodles. She got in trouble. She can't eat them. And with that, she has to be in her seat when she eats them.
That's alright.
But that's okay. I got me a bagel, some coffee. We got the views, beautiful Texas views, and we're chilling now.
So here's a little bathroom tour. It's okay. A little small. Could be a little bit cleaner, but it does the job. And it has a big mirror right here, full body length. So I think I would rate it 6 out of 10. Not bad. AMTRAK experience.
Very comfortable.
Pretty comfy. We basically slept the whole time, if I'm gonna be honest.
Just took like an hour longer than a car ride.
It was comfortable.
It's cool to see the
Back roads.
The back roads.
Yeah. I think it's worth it. And it's pretty cheap too.
You gotta get the full.
Alright. Well, I think that's it
No, we don't know.
for this video.
We might come back.
Let us know where we should take the train next.
If you like
And
this train video, where should we fly to next?
where should we go? What should we
Anywhere.
see? Let us know. Thank you guys for watching.